Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I came up with a video on how to achieve sleek, shiny, straight hair, and I'm gonna share with you guys some tips that work for me and basically what I use to achieve this look. So if you guys wanna know, then just follow me. Okay guys, let's begin the video. So my first tip to get really sleek, smooth, straight hair, but just use something really nourishing to keep your hair really nice and hydrated, and then you can either blow dry it or just leave your hair to dry naturally and then straight with the straightener. The straightener I love to use is the one by Numi, which is this one here. I love because the plate is quite large as well. They're not like this really skinny straighteners. I have a lot of hair, so when you have long hair and a lot of hair like I do, I rather use something like this, like a bigger straightener. Okay guys, so the plates of this straightener is made out of tourmaline ceramic, so it's really good for the hair. It doesn't damage the hair like the others, and not as much as the others, and also has a technology called infrared. So if you guys don't know what infrared is, it's really nice for it basically makes your hair really silky, shiny. It seals the cuticles of your hair, so it gives you that really smooth, silky finish. So yeah, so I've done already the back of my hair like usual because I don't want to bore you guys, and I'm gonna move on to the front of my hair. So okay girls, so just another tip that I want to give you is you can definitely blow dry your hair before you use the eye straightener, but I'm not a fan of doing this because I feel like blow drying already takes away a lot of moisture out of your hair, and straightening on top, it will give you that really dry effect on your hair. So what I normally recommend is for you just to air dry your hair or use a hair dryer just to dry your hair, but not actually blow dry it. So yeah, so that's what I did here. You can see this is my natural hair. You know what, when the straightener is good, you don't need to blow dry your hair before it, unless your hair is super curly and you want your hair to stay straight for a week or something, then I recommend you to do so. And I'm gonna use as well this brush. This brush is also from Numi. It's really good for just holding your hair to run the straightener through it, because sometimes if you use just a brush like this, your hair comes out. Like I have this problem all the time because my hair is a bit wavy, so the baby hairs comes out, which is very annoying. Guys, I'm just using this straightener on the 340 heat setting because I feel like my hair straightens really easily. But if you have very coarse curly hair, then you want to use a higher heat setting. So yeah, so the first tip I'm gonna give you is to hold the straightener and just do slowly as well. This is a tip that I'm gonna give you because I see a lot of girls doing really quick. You see, this is just with one, and you see that is already quite straight. But the slowest you do, the better will look. And just go slowly, and that's gonna really seal your cuticles and straighten your hair. Yeah. See, it's perfectly straight and it's shiny as well. Teach you guys as well how to straighten your bangs, so don't worry. Okay guys, so this is one of the most important parts, I guess, is the front of your hair. So what I like to do first, I like to divide into two here. I don't really have a fringe or a bang, to be honest, but I'm gonna show you guys how to do this because a lot of girls do on the side and it just looks a mess. So I go with the clip again. When you use the straightener, try to go like in a circle like this, because this is gonna give you a little bit more of body just for the part of your hair. So don't go with your straightener straight. I can see if I can show you guys from the side. clip in the hair and then just use it that way. See how I'm doing almost like in a circular motion, so it has a bit more body. This looks a lot better than if you do it just completely straight. Once you do that and you want to look, you can do without the brush as well, so you can reach out to the roots more closely. See, it is straight, but it has a little bit of body at front. Okay guys, so now that the hair is completely straight and shiny, see, I haven't actually applied any product, but it's all down to the straightener, you guys. This straightener is amazing. And to finalize the hair, I'm gonna use the Gloss Boss serum. This one is basically like a hair oil. You apply it on your hair after you style it, and it just gives you nice shiny hair, even more than what we have now. Gonna apply more towards the ends like this. One last tip I want to give you guys: if you have problems with humidity and if you have really curly hair and you spend an hour straightening your hair, as soon as you go out your hair go all puffy and curly, what you can do is, after you straighten your hair, you can go with a air dryer on the cold setting, and you're just gonna blow the air all over your hair straight after you finish straightening your hair, and that's gonna seal your hair the way it is. So it's a really good trick if you suffer of that problem. And yeah, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends. Let me know down below if you have any questions or suggestions on video here on my channel, and I see you on the next one. Mwah. Bye.